I thank God that I came out of victim. And today I can testify about the victory that God gave me. I was a young lady. And I got married. When you get married, you know what you expect. You expect having children. I didn't take long. And that time I could serve God as well. Just the same way I serve Him today. I got pregnant. I had a normal pregnancy. After 9 months, I went to the doctor as well. I got my labor. I went through labor pain. Then I went there. I went through labor pain. And I gave birth. I had a normal birth. Because I had that promise that I will not have a C-section. But when I gave birth, they found that my child was dead since 4 days. The doctor who took care of me, he asked me, what God do you pray? Who are you to have that child in a womb for 4 days yet he is dead? The child was white, had become white. That's the power of God. When others were going home celebrating, I had to go bury. And then when I went back, I prayed to God and said, you really did do this to me? And then I asked him, why did you do this to me? Yet I served you when I was still young. Whatever you gave me, I gave it back to you. Whenever you could call me, I served you days and nights. You may be seated here and saying, God, I've served you for so many years. There are things you've promised me, but I haven't seen them. But let me tell you this. God is still alive and He's still at work. And then I told God, you have to show yourself to me and restore me. Among the things that you've showed me, you showed me that you are capable. I got pregnant after some time. After 6 months of pregnancy, I felt like I'm not well. And then I told my husband, I don't feel I'm well. We went to the doctor. And when we reached there, and then he told me, you don't go back, you have to wait. And then I told him, it is only 6 months, it's not time to give birth. Why should I stay? And then he said, instead you are going to give birth. Because I could feel the pain as labor pain. And then he asked me, do you have the strength to push? I said, yes, I'm a Hebrew woman, I can push. I gave birth. And And then the doctor looked at me and said,
kumbona ufite babiri tutarabibonye bwa mbere.
And then he said, I can see twins. We had never seen it before, but I can see twins.
Ndavuga nti Yesu urakora.
And then I said, Jesus, you can do it.
Arambwira ngo ufite imbaraga n'uwa kabiri umusinike, ndamubwira ndazifite
And then he asked me, do you still have strength to push the second baby? I said, yes.
Ndamusunika.
And I pushed him too.
Muganga arangije arambwira.
Then the doctor told me,
ngo nubwo bumva barira,
even though you can hear them crying,
ariko ntabwo babaho.
but they are not going to live.
Namufasha amataburiya gutya.
I took his garment.
Ndamubwira ntabwo Yesu yabinkora.